Hi, Dr. Scott Weiss here with another installment from Body Zone Studios in Gramercy Park, New York City. Today we're going to talk a little bit about limbering up. Most people are clear and understand what a warm-up is. The main goal is to increase your core temperature and prepare the body for exercise. So what we'll try to start is some neck stretches and limbering up. And this is what it would look like. We keep the hands down at the sides, side bending. Working on loosening up some of the muscles of the neck in addition to the joints of the neck. Then we would work on chin to shoulder. And we also like to do slight rotations, but we never rotate towards the back. So we kind of are always moving in these positions. Usually I'll go for 10 to 20 repetitions of each. From there, I stagger my stance after the neck. We start loosening up the joints of the shoulder with shoulder circles backwards and forwards. In addition, we have to work and loosen up the chest and the back of the shoulder. So we cross the body palm down, cross the body palm up, stretching the posterior cuff and the chest. And the technique looks like this. And again, most of the time, all of this is done for like 20 repetitions. So from there, we'll switch sides, do the same circles back, same circles forward, and open and close to loosen that area up. From there, again, I'm always thinking from the head and neck down. We accomplished the head and neck. We did a little bit of the shoulders. We start with circles. Hip circles, again, 20-30 in both directions will help loosening up the lumbar spine and the hip joints. From there, we want to focus a little bit more on the lumbar spine, and we're going to do bigger twists and rotations. And what I want to focus on is that the bottom foot, or if you're turning to your right, it's okay for the heel to come up. That will accentuate your rotation. And as we go to the other side, the other leg will come up. And then when it's flowing, we kind of let it roll like this. Hands stay nice and relaxed. And the only variation is we raise the hands. By raising the hands, you stretch different joints and different muscles. So this is what that looks like. From that point, both hands go onto the knees. We will circle and loosen up the knee joints, knowing and appreciating they're involved in any lower extremity activities. One way, the other way, in to out and out to in. Then we come down to the ankle. I like to put the toe back behind you and slightly circle. Again, always trying to accomplish repetitions. This is about limbering up and loosening up the joints. Remember, limbering up and loosening up the joints, so numbers are optimal here, and intensity is not anywhere involved. So after you do 20 to 30 in each direction with both legs, you know that you've limbered up the entire body, worked from the muscles and the joints on the neck, all the way down to the feet.